Hey loves, it's Chellbee. Welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. You know I love you. Thank you guys for coming back for another video. If this is your first time here, my name is Chellbee. I am the blogger behind Chellbee.com. And on this channel, I like to share my faith journey. So typically I share Bible study with me videos, Bible study tips videos, and I also like to share studio vlogs. I have a small business. It is a Christian stationery shop. It is available. My products are available on Etsy and also on my website. And today I am sharing studio vlog number 6. So as you can see, I am just doing some computer work here. Of course, as always, I have the kiddos, and you may not notice in the background, but my printer is running. I feel like my printer is always running. But I'm printing out some cards so that I can work on packing some orders. And if you see the TV, then you notice that I am watching a Tony Evans sermon, which I do like to do each week. So usually I'll watch his new sermons on like Sunday, sometimes on Saturday. It just depends on kind of what's going on. But I do like to watch his weekly sermons. I will gladly pause it and replay because I do like to be attentive and actually watch what's going on, which is why it's paused, because I wasn't paying attention. But on this day in particular, I was actually working on a thumbnail for one of the studio vlogs. So as you can see, it's studio vlog number 3. It looks like, and I was working on a thumbnail for that vlog. I'm trying to get better about designing, attractive or interesting thumbnails. It's a work in progress. Obviously, creating thumbnails that look like something you'd be interested in clicking on is always the first thing I try to remember. But yeah, so that is what you see me doing here. So I have been working really hard to get additional items in the shop. There are so many items that I want to create and offer, and I have to kind of really slow myself down, and I created like a plan for myself so that I can pace myself and work on the production of all these different products. But on this day in particular, I am working on Bible tabs. It's been a long process of me creating these Bible tabs, and I have a like how to make Bible tabs blog post where I did a DIY on my Pew Bible that I used to use as my primary Bible. So obviously I know how to make Bible tabs, and I've used this kind of sticker paper and made Bible tabs, and so I know they're gonna last, and I'm not concerned about that, but just trying to figure out the whole cutting machine situation, because when I did the ones that I have on my Pew Bible, I cut them by hand, and clearly that is not the move for the shop. So just trying to get the cutting situation figured out, coming up with a design that I like. It's taken a while, and then packaging always takes me a while because I just always want to make sure that it looks good and that it's nice. But nonetheless, so these are not available in the shop yet. Maybe by the time this posts, it will be. It probably won't. Eventually, these will be up in the shop. I just don't know when. I'm pacing myself, and I just want to make sure that it looks right and that it is what I want it to be. And I'm sure you guys have noticed that the kids are usually in the studio with me. So usually I work on the shop during the weekend. So of course the kiddos are home, and I'm just taking a little video of Caden. He's getting so big, and he's not crawling quite yet. He's almost there though, but he loves to roll around and whatnot. So I was just taking a video of him rolling around on the floor and being silly. And there will definitely be more Bible study with me videos coming up. It's just been a slow process with editing for me, so I have been pacing myself on recording more Bible study with me videos. But I work from home. I don't know if I've said that before. I've worked from home for a while now, for a few years, so this is probably the second year of me working from home. Even though I switched jobs, it was important for me to be able to continue to work from home. That's just really important to me and for me. So anyway, so I am working on the cards, and I believe these are the encourage cards. And so I was just working to print off the back sides, the affirmations that go with these cards, and trying to make sure, of course, everything looked good. That's always the main thing whenever you're making any kind of products. Trying to make sure everything looks good, that there's nothing that needs to be thrown out. Everything's, centered correctly and looks the way you imagined it would look once you designed it. And I just wanted to thank everybody who has purchased anything from the shop, no matter how small or large of an order. I just wanted to say thank you. I truly appreciate your support. It does not go unnoticed. We are just so grateful and thankful to have every and any order that comes our way. Grateful to be able to be a part of your spiritual journey, even if it's in the smallest of ways. It has been so great to have the kids scripture cards sell. I definitely like to tell Rose whenever someone buys a scripture card, that's the set that she designed, because she loves it and she gets so excited. She already thinks that she's a business owner, and I mean, in her own right, she kind of is. But she loves to hear that someone bought her cards. So thank you guys so much for your support. As you can see here, I'm just assembling some more kids scripture card sets. They are a part of a few different bundles, are available as a part of a few different bundles, and so I try to make sure I have enough on hand so that I can quickly package orders. And if you've ever visited my shop, then you know a lot of the feedback that I get is about the fact that my orders ship quickly. Yes, I do use the postal service because it's the most cost effective way for me to ship orders, and it allows me to keep my prices low. And even though a lot of people will say how the post office can be slow, one of the reasons I'm able to ship my orders quickly is because I do a lot of batching and I try to have products available. So as soon as orders come in, I like to go ahead and get them out. So regardless of how long it might take for the USPS to deliver, they still arrive usually quicker than what you expect. Now that I've rambled on and on about shipping, I am going to be quiet. I hope you guys enjoyed today's studio vlog. I truly enjoyed sitting down and talking with you guys and showing you guys some behind the scenes of the Chellbee shop. And until next time, you guys, stay safe, truly, and be blessed. Bye!
Subscribe to my mommy channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.